Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to study anatomy on paper. Let's start with active drawing, a powerful technique. Instead of just looking at diagrams, try sketching them yourself. Begin with basic outlines of organs, bones, or muscles. Don't worry about artistic perfection. The goal is to understand the shapes and relative positions. This hands-on approach engages your brain in a unique way, helping you remember intricate details much more effectively than passive viewing. Spend about 15 to 20 minutes on each major system. Next, let's talk about labeling blank diagrams. This is a fantastic way to test your knowledge and pinpoint areas where you need more practice. Find unlabeled diagrams of the human body or specific systems like the cardiovascular or nervous system. Try to fill in all the labels from memory. Once you've done your best, compare your answers to a correctly labeled diagram. This immediate feedback loop is incredibly valuable for reinforcing what you know and highlighting what you still need to learn. Aim for at least 10 to 15 diagrams per study session. Our third strategy involves creating your own flashcards and detailed notes. For flashcards, write a structure on one side and its definition, location, or function on the other. This active recall method is highly effective for memorization. When taking notes, don't just copy, synthesize information. Focus on how different anatomical parts connect and interact. Using a system of 3 to 4 different colored pens can help you organize and differentiate various types of information, making your notes more engaging and easier to review later. Finally, let's discuss color coding and consistent review. Assign specific colors to different anatomical categories, like blue for veins, red for arteries, or yellow for nerves. Apply this system to all your drawings and notes for visual consistency. Regular review is paramount. Revisit your materials daily for short bursts, perhaps 10 to 15 minutes. A powerful technique is to try and teach the material to a friend or even an imaginary audience. Explaining concepts aloud helps you identify gaps in your knowledge and reinforces your understanding.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.